Hello friends, so this is a Honda Transalp, my friend's bike, and he has an issue with the plastics. As you can see here, it's broken off on both sides. So today I will be fixing this part. So let's get to it. So first I need to unscrew this. So as you can see, one side is okay, the other side doesn't have the nut here, this kind of a joint here. So we will be doing that, creating it from plastic. So let's do that. For this kind of fixing, it's best to use the same kind of plastic. If you have some spare plastic that you could use for the melting, but if you don't have anything some left, you can use any kind of plastic that is durable and can withstand the heat. The important thing is to mix the old plastic with the new one, so there is a strong bond. Now we can put new layers there, so layering the plastic. I'll create a small tower that we'll be using as a scaffold, so I can build the notch. Okay, this could be it. We will have to test fit to to see if this is enough. I'll just reinforce it a bit more and then use a file and shape it. Seems to be stiff enough. One seems to be okay. Let us do a test fit. Seems to be much better now. Yes, okay. This seems to be fine. I'm scraping it and making it a bit rounder so it fits better. Let's try again how it fits. It's a tight fit. So I think I should scrape it a bit more. It's also cold, so yeah, that's good. So let me try to fit it in. Okay. Okay, fits fine, holds. Maybe later on some more shaping will be necessary, but that's it. So this is how you fix a broken fitting on a fender. So that's it.